There's a growing fear about how a trade war with China will affect U.S. farmers, especially soybean growers, whose #1 export market is China. In fact, China imports more soybeans than all other countries combined. China is threatening to target the crops in retaliation for President Trump's $60 billion in tariffs against Chinese imports. It's an effort to protect American steel and intellectual property rights on electronics. Experts say it could put 300,000 soy farmers out of the market with long-term negative ripple effects. Monty Peterson farms near Valley City, and he's on the North Dakota Soybean Growers and American Soybean Associations and is currently vice chair of the U.S. Soybean Export Council. He's been keeping a close eye on the brewing trade war, especially since 70% of North Dakota's soybean crop, $1.5 billion worth a year, goes to China. So far, soy is not on the tariff list, but Peterson says if it's added, it would be devastating to American farmers. Peterson has been working hard on this issue and is going to China in mid-April.
The efforts it takes in order to build trade, to build relationships in other countries, in order to export what we have, they take time, they take a lot of effort. And if we disrupt that process, we would be naive to think that we could just flip a switch and be right back to where we were. Those are lost opportunities, and they don't come back easily. So we've got to think, along the lines that we need to protect our share.
China recently added $3 billion worth of retaliatory tariffs on a number of U.S. goods, including pork and fruit.